video has been long overdue. It's the unboxing of the entire Dirty Dancing makeup collection. I got this for my birthday from my sister Sarah, and I really wanted to go in depth with it with you guys and just show you guys what it looks like. And I just haven't had a chance. Like I said, I've had a lot of things going on, so it's a bit late, but I mean, it's better to late than never, guys, right? So, first of all, look how pretty this box is. Look at that. It's also by Sola, look, and then it says, "You're invading my dance space." Look at that. How cute is that? So now, when you open it, look at this. It makes me so sad because Swayze is no longer here, and he's amazing, guys. I just love the inside of this box. And I will be doing some close-ups for you guys, so no worries there. So, first of all, what leaked in my bag? Because there's like eyeliner or something in here. I'm not sure what that is. Okay then, we have this makeup bag. It has like a stain on it. That wasn't there before. I don't know what happened. But it says, "Nobody puts baby in a corner." And then the front says Dirty Dancing. Look at this. How cute is this? Adorable. And the inside is so cute. Perfect for traveling. Once we could do that again. I love this so much. So I'm going to put this here. And before I show you guys everything inside, what I want to do is show you the inside of the box. Yes, the box. So let's put all of this aside here. Okay, this side says the steps aren't enough, ... feel the music. This side says butt out baby. This side says I always do the last dance of the season. And this one says I can't even do the merengue. And then look at the footsteps inside. How cute is that? I have to do close-up shots of this because I know it probably will not focus well. But this is too cute. I love the little details on the inside of the box. How cute is that, guys? Wow. Okay, so now, with that aside, let's close that on up. And then the back says the name of the palette. That is too adorable. And then now, we have a beauty blender. This beauty blender is so cute. I did not use it yet, but I cannot wait. It's cruelty free, it's latex free, dye free, and yeah. And it's super soft. I love that. Oh. Okay, yeah, and I love the little details on it. It has baby and Johnny on it. How cute is that? It makes me scared to use it because I didn't use it yet, but oh man, this is so beautiful. I just love it. And next, we have the eyelashes. They are super cute. Oh my gosh. They have outdone themselves with this. I love it so much. I did not use these either. I don't usually use fake eyelashes, but I surely will use these because they're super cute and it's a part of the Dirty Dancing collection. So how could I not, guys? I just love this so much. It's super cute. I love how it says Kellerman's Mountain House on the back. Almost got tongue-tied there, guys. And then a magic liquid eyeliner and adhesive. And it says, I carried a watermelon. How cute is that? I love this so much. And I did use this once already so far. And I have to say, it's amazing. I love this so much. My sisters have one as well. They each have one of the collections as well. How many times am I going to say as well? But yeah, this is an amazing pen. I just love it so much. And last, well no, it's not last because there's something I forgot. I keep forgetting that. I did a reel with this as well and I forgot to put the last thing in there and I'm like, really, Sam? But look at this palette. How cute is this palette? I love it so much. And I love that it has Johnny and Baby on the front. So cute. Oh man. I love this. I love how there's a picture of Baby in here And then it says, this is my dance space, this is your dance space. And then I love how all of the shades are, you know, related to the movie, obviously. We have Summer, Kellerman's, Francis, Ticklish, Spaghetti Arms, Heartbeat, The Lake, Baby, The Lift, Loverboy, The Corner. Forever Baby is the name of the lippy, and then Last Dance. And the shades are gorgeous, and I didn't get to use this yet, but super cute, and I cannot wait to use these fun colors for the summertime. So excited, guys. And then last but not least, they gave us a drawing of Baby. It is stunning, and I never got a frame for it yet. Let me take it out of the plastic. I want to be very careful with this. I don't want it to get ruined. Look at this. Isn't this stunning? She's so pretty. I love her movies, and Dirty Dancing, man, that's just an amazing movie. Who else loves that movie? Sometimes I feel like I was born in the wrong time. I love the music and everything. That movie is addicting. Comment down below if you're a fan of this movie, if you purchased the collection already, or after this video will you be purchasing this collection. No, this is not sponsored, I'm just asking because I know that a lot of you have the same interest as me. So I like to share things with you guys that I like because it helps you guys out as well to know what's out there. So let me know if you guys are a fan of this movie. Are you going to be purchasing anything from this collection? And comment down below how many times you've seen this movie and what's your favorite songs from the movie. I just honestly really love the whole soundtrack. I'm pretty addicted to it, and I have the record player, so I mean I'm always listening to the record as well, so it's a big problem in my house. I really love the music from this movie. Everything about it is just so timeless, guys. And I mean, I really do hope that I get to visit the Kellerman's Resort one day, and this palette and everything is just so gorgeous. It's well done. I love it so much. And I cannot wait to do this, guys. Like, I cannot wait to use this and do some tutorials for you guys. If you guys want to see any tutorials with this makeup, let me know down below. And guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And guys, guess what? Guess what? If you guys are makeup lovers like me, and if your heart is full of love for the 90s and the early 2000s, then you guys should guess what I'm about to say next. I ordered the entire Lizzie Mcguire Colourpop collection, and that should be coming soon, and I cannot wait to unbox it on here for you guys. I'm super stoked for that one. So Dirty Dancing and then the Lizzie Mcguire one, I am freaking out. I hope that they do a That's So Raven collab, and a Xenon palette would be amazing as well, like a Xenon collection, because you know the whole space station thing. I mean, I can imagine how pretty that makeup would look. Like, don't you guys agree? Let me know down below. I mean, I don't know if some of you will know what I'm talking about, but like when I was growing up, you know, those movies, those TV shows, they have such an impact on our lives, and I just love them so much, and I never grew out of that phase. And then with Dirty Dancing and stuff coming to the picture, because I just love everything about the old days as well, this just makes my heart super happy. And I mean, to have like makeup collections of things that we love, what in the world? I mean, that's just amazing. I have my window open, and it's been really warm for the past couple of days, so we've been going out in tank tops and shorts and stuff, right? And then today it was like a little gloomy. It said it was supposed to rain, and then it started snowing, and then we had some ice, and I have my window open because I'm super hot with these lights, and then it just like almost blew my door open. So that's that story for you guys, in case you wanted to know what that was. So the weather is doing weird things, but it's nature. But yeah, with all of that said, like I said, stay tuned for my next video, because I have a Shein haul coming for you guys, a try-on haul, because you guys loved that so much last time. And then the Lizzie Mcguire makeup unboxing. I don't know which order I'm going to do that in. It depends when it gets here and how I situate myself. So with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Are you standing right here? All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight.